show you how you can convert your wave audio to MP3 in Premiere Pro. Open your Premiere Pro, create sequence. After you have created sequence, then import your wave audio. Then insert it to your timeline. You drag it or insert it to audio timeline. You go to your file. After you go to your file, then you go to export. After going to export, you go to media, and it come out like this. Then you go to your format settings. Then you look for MP3. You click on it. Here you can give it more high quality that you want, as you want the sound to be heavy in MP3 production. You can go for MP3 192 kilobyte per se, high quality. You can go for it, and the one below, but I prefer you to leave it the way it comes. Then you go to your output. You select that output. Then you create where you can see it. You create a folder for it. Sorry. Let's create a folder. You can name it NNN. Then you open the folder. Then you name your audio that you want to wave out. Let's say safe. You are using safe as the name. Then you save. Then you come to export. Here. You come to export here. Then you click. Automatically it will convert to MP3. If you like this video, please click on like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.